Hello friends, welcome to the .NET interview community. I'm your host Nirbhay Chauhan, a developer, author and a trainer passionate about leveling up skills. Whether you are gearing up for an interview or simply want to deepen your understanding of the .NET technologies, you have come to the right place. I have authored several interview preparation books which are available on Amazon, and the links of these books are given below in the description box. So let's dive into today's question and see how we can tackle it together. So friends, our today's question is explain the abstraction in detail, as abstraction is one of the key concept or the important pillar of the object-oriented programming. So we must understand it thoroughly and should be able to answer this basic question where the interviewer have asked about the abstraction. So the definition of abstraction, it says that the abstraction focus on hiding the internal complexity of an object, and it exposes only the essential feature or the details. It simplifies the interaction with object by providing an high level view, making them easier to understand and use. That's the use of abstraction and definition. Let's dig in more into the abstraction. The abstraction focuses on the essential. Abstraction emphasizes the what an object does rather than how it does. The next concept is it hides the complexity. It conceals the intricate internal detail of the object implementation, making the code more maintainable and less prone to error. It adds a abstraction layer. All systems often have multiple layers of abstraction. For example, you interact with a car at a high level, like the steering, accelerator, brake, but without needing to understand how it integrates the engine mechanics, how the accelerating work, how the brakes apply. But we can still drive a car with a very high level abstract information of steering, acceleration and brake. Now let's understand the two primary mechanisms of achieving the abstraction. The first one is the abstract classes, and the definition of abstract classes is an abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated directly. It acts as a blueprint for other classes, and the features of abstract classes are can contain both abstract and concrete method. Abstract methods are declared without implementation, and it declared with using the keyword abstract. The subclasses must provide the concrete implementation of all the inherited abstract method. So this is the information about the abstract class. We'll also dig deeper into the abstract class in our coming videos. The next mechanism to achieve the abstraction is interface. The interface definition says an interface defines a contract that a class must adhere to. It specifies a set of methods that a class must implement. The features of interface are it contains only method signature, no bodies, or not a single function can have a body, and it can contain properties, event, indexers and method. A class can implement multiple interfaces. That's where we can see, and we have learned in the interface as well, inheritance as well, that the class can inherit from one class but it can implement multiple interfaces. and that's the way to achieve a multiple inheritance in C Sharp. Now, as we have learned about the abstraction in detail, you can answer this in comment. Can an interface have method body? So friends, there you have it. I hope you have gained some valuable insight from this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. And if you have any questions or want to discuss further, feel free to leave a comment below. Plus, let's connect. Follow me on Medium and LinkedIn for exclusive content. The link is given below in the description box. See you in the next video.